So hello, it is Wednesday the 11th of October, almost midnight, and I suppose I should be and am pretty excited to do my cardboard unboxing, or what I hope is going to be the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and possibly a watch also. Now the backstory is that whilst I have delved into the dark side, that would be Apple, in the last 12 months, due to various pressures and influences, I've always got a sweet spot for Google, and the Google 8 Pixel Pro phone apparently now has something that really that none of the previous devices since the Pixel 4 has, which is secure facial unlock. And apparently they can do that with just a single camera and their AI engine and Tensor CPU chip. So I've been persuaded by their promises, and as MK PhD said recently the other day, never really believe on Google promises because they can change at any moment. And so this is the cardboard unboxing of said products that I have bought. Now, as you can see, I hope, this is an extremely poor packaging. I can actually see through the packaging here. It's completely not waterproof. And if this was if this was subjected to any more jiggling around, might imagine that this one, I'm going to try and pull this out, and I suspect this is just going to pull out. So this is how this package arrived to me today. It's come by a DPD. Oh my goodness me. Right, so I've just not done anything but lifted it, and literally one box has fallen out, and the second box is, okay, that's a bit more difficult to get out, but I'm just pulling it, it's come out. So we're gonna look at what is in fact the Mr. Watch and the Mr. Pixel at a later date. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to look at the cardboard unboxing. And I'm going to say this has been the worst cardboard unboxing of what is well over £1,000 UK pounds worth of equipment. Absolutely shocking. And so I'm very much annoyed to say, because I am a big Google fan and a great Apple critic, that the cardboard unboxing experience of the Pixel compares, out of 10, it's like 0 out of 10. I'd give it minus points if it made any sense compared to the Apple unboxing. The Apple products came in secure packaging. They were a packet within a packet. And this is not only a flimsy packet, it's actually an open packet. Absolutely atrocious. So Google, you really ought to be able to do better than this. So I'm signing off with a bit of a grump in my voice because it's been a very busy day. I've only had time to open this packaging now, and I realise how lucky I am that these packages have not just literally slipped out of the box prior to my arrival at my home. Tut, tut, tut.